Hi everyone, welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. My name is Soraya. In today's video, we're going to focus on our banana plant. You already know that it's fruiting from previous videos, so let's take a look again how the fruits are looking. Alright guys, so we're going to take care of our banana plant so the fruits will get much bigger. So what is happening here, we have this leaf that is turning brown. So we don't want the plant to be focusing on spending time to take care of this leaf. We want to direct the energy back into the fruits. So what I'm going to do is to remove this leaf, and this will be used. It won't be thrown out. We'll compost it soon. You'll see how we'll do that in a short while. And take a look here. Now these are what we call pups, and of course the plant is also spending its time to provide nutrients for these pups. Oh, and we have one, so we have 1, 2, 3, and there's one just coming up. So what I'm going to do, I am going to remove 2 of them. So I'm going to remove these 2 so that the energy again can be focused on this banana plant with the fruits, and some other time I'll remove one other and keep one in the container. Alright, so let's remove this one first. So as you can see, I think these are the roots, not sure. Alright, so let me just remove this one as best as possible. Let me just scrape the dirt away from it a bit so I can get easy access to it. It doesn't matter if some of the roots are being broken, that's okay. Guys, this is very hard to come out, but a little patience and we're good to go. Just a little patience and we're good to go. Alright guys, so I have to be going way down because it's well rooted and attached to the mother plant. What I will have to do is to cut it away from the mother plant right here, and then these roots will be okay. I will have to actually feed this plant so that also the fruits can get bigger. So I'll be composting and adding some fertilizer to it. But this is a pretty workout, guys. It's a good workout. Alright, so finally guys, this one came out. This one was the first one to, what was this? This is a worm. It's alive. Let's put it in there. Alright guys, so this one we took out first. it got damaged. Not sure. We plant it just in case it decides to grow some roots on its own. But we damaged this one. Then we got access to this one and took it out. And finally, the bigger one. So we have some roots on it. But man, guys, this is hard work. And it is a bit challenging because it's in a container. Actually, I broke this little spade. Just to remove this, I had to use the bigger shovel and then go for the machete and then the knife. All right, so I'm going to fix this up, get it some food, and then start the process of potting these. All right, so I have some rabbit manure. Just going to cover it. What I have in here is some blended kitchen scraps. So like eggshells, vegetable matter, the works. And I'm using some soil that we're repurposing. Alright, so the mulch that we had, and these are banana clippings from the same banana plant. So we have one shoot here and there. When I went deeper, there's some little shoots coming up as well, some little pups. So more pups will be coming up. I'm just gonna water it in. So now the fruits can get bigger because all the energy will be directed back to the fruit. So we take out the damaged leaves, remove some of the pups. Now the energy will go back to the fruits. Alright, so we're going to plant up the pups now. Alright, using some repurposed soil. Alright, so repurposing that soil, adding the kitchen scraps to this. And as you can see, well blended. So nutrients will get to the plants a bit quicker. I'm gonna do now is to put some rabbit manure on top of this and then put the soil on top of the rabbit manure. Alright, so adding the rabbit manure. Alright. So we're going to put this one in. So here it is. This is a nice pup. Alright guys, phone is still working the soil. I'm going to replant it some other time, but not now. Alright, so I'm going to plant this now. Time to plant. Alright, this looks good. I'm going to backfill. Alright, so I'm going to use the seed that we took out the plant to act as mulch. As the plant continues to grow, we're going to provide it with a lot of nutrients so that we can get big green bananas to eat and even ripe bananas. All right, so we're going to plant out the 2 other pups. Again, there are no roots on this one, but we're going to try, I think, to see if it will actually grow. And then we have this smaller one. All right, so that's it. Right, so let me start with this one. So I put it the wrong way. All right, so let me start again with this one. I was just wondering what was the issue. All right, so it was placed in incorrectly a while ago. All right, so let me just backfill. So let's see if this one will grow. All right, guys, remember to start that garden one container at a time. And thank you to our new subscribers. We do appreciate you. Thank you for coming on board to see our journey. All right, we appreciate you, and we will see you pretty soon in the next one. Have a blessed day.